right, who are you guys again?
Castaways.
Castaways? I might have the wrong people. I'm supposed to be interviewing the Backyardigains.
The Backyardigains.
Oh, so it is you guys. Okay, alright, let's get started. Have you guys ever been to our facility before?
We've been here once before.
Oh, excellent. So what do you think of it here?
Almost everything is kind of here.
I don't know what that means, but I'll take it as a compliment. So what do you think of the CEO of our corporation?
She's selfish and cruel.
Whoa, that was a very rude thing to say.
We're never ever rude, always polite.
Alright, you guys need to stop.
I'm gonna stomp up there with a messy hair
Are you threatening me?
in the air, and it doesn't smell so good.
Okay, that's it. You don't get the job. Get out of my office.
Now it's time to get going.
I do smell kind of bad.